Okay, let's tackle these fellas. I put a little smoke at the entrance while I was putting on my gloves. You never know, the sun's out today, it might not be so bad. I just added this super just to give them some room. So there's really nothing going on in here. I mean, they're in it, but there's no nectar coming in yet. And you can see, look at here. Completely different from the other hive. I see me going after my camera. Okay, I brought you fellas back. The bees are everywhere. And what I found in the top box, no brood. A lot of honey. You can see down here I got 2 frames of solid brood. I got at least 4 more frames of solid brood up top. And the center 2 frames, they were cleaned out like they were ready for brood, but no brood. You can see where the bees made a circle. All this is cleaned out, but no brood. Plenty of drones, which I don't want, but no brood. So let me, I'm gonna pull this off. Let me go ahead and pull it off now. We're gonna check and see if there's brood in the bottom. Maybe something happened to the queen already. Hope the noise doesn't bother you guys too much. I stuck the mic in my pocket to keep the bees from landing on it. We'll get you a little bit closer. Okay, let's see what we got in here. This box don't seem like it has a lot of bees in it at all. They may have swarmed, or she might just be dead, which wouldn't bother me a bit. Nothing on that frame. Nothing on that one. Pollen on that one. So guys, there's no brood. Nothing. Okay. So we got a problem. And it's not a good one for a production hive. What I'm gonna do, because I don't know if there's a virgin queen running around here anywhere, like if they swarm. I didn't see any swarm cells, but I'm gonna go back into this hive over here where I found all that brood at. I'm gonna look for some eggs, because that's a quiet bunch of bees, and stick that in here and hope they raise a queen from this other genetics here. I'll bring you guys back. Okay, I went into my nice hive, found a whole frame of eggs. I know you're not going to be able to see the eggs, but trust me, it's a frame that I stuck in a couple of days ago, and she has it solid laid up with eggs. So I went ahead and pulled it out, and I'm going to stick it in this box here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it around the top box in the top deep, because there's nothing. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to swap, since there's nothing in that bottom box, I'm going to swap that box around and put all the honey and this frame of eggs down below. If they have a virgin queen in here, then it won't matter. But if they don't, they should start making cells. Let's see, I can put this back in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an old box that I made when I first started. Okay. Let me see, I might have a better bottom board than that. Nope, thought I did. Okay, let me get these bees. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put my eggs in there. Thank goodness I didn't see any eggs at all. That means they're not drone layer yet. Put my honey frame back in there. And I'm gonna come back once they get all settled in. I'm gonna remove these boxes of empty frames until we get a queen mated back. Matter of fact, I can remove this one now. Nothing on that. Okay. And I'm going to take that frame of honey that I pulled out and give that to the hive that I just fed and the one I pulled the eggs from. And then we'll be moving on.